Hi there, class. I'll be working a few problems from section 2.3 WebAssign homework. This is called algebraic problem solving. This entire lesson is to help point you towards the direction of becoming an expert problem solver. This assignment will allow you to practice taking parts of word problems and translating them into mathematical sentences. Take a look at this first one. A cash register contains D dimes and Q quarters. Write an algebraic expression that represents the total amount of money in dollars. Okay, so let's first think about this. If you've ever worked a cash register, you know at the end of the night, you have to count the number of coins you have, the number of dollar bills you have, and so on. So D is going to represent our number of dimes. Q will represent the number of quarters. And I'm using those as number symbols right now and not hashtags. As you count those dimes, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but your boss doesn't want to know just the total number of dimes. Your boss wants to know how much money are those dimes together in dollars. And so, of course, you know that 10 cents equals 1 dime. Likewise, 25 cents equals 1 quarter. So to find out how much money is in the register, we're going to take 10 cents, multiply it times the number of dimes, 25 cents times the number of quarters, and add those together. The mathematical expression will be 0.10 times D. It's okay just to put the 0.10 and the letter D next to each other. You don't need parentheses and you don't need a multiplication symbol. Add that to 0.25 times Q. And that's the mathematical expression that represents how much money is in the cash register. Next question says translate the verbal phrase into an algebraic expression. Simplify the expression. Here's the phrase: the sum of 2 and x added to the sum of x and negative 4. So let's work this out one piece at a time. The sum of 2 and x would be 2 plus x because the word sum represents the operation of addition. Added to means another addition sign. The sum of x and negative 4 would be x plus negative 4. Now to collect like terms, x plus x is 2x and 2 plus negative 4 is minus 2, and that's your final answer. Next question says translate the sum of m and 2.33 multiplied by s is 48.23. And then it specifically says do not solve the equation. We know the word sum represents an addition problem. So what exactly are we adding together? We're adding together the sum of m and this piece right here, 2.33 multiplied by s. It doesn't say that s is being multiplied by m. It just says that s is being multiplied by 2.33. So we'll say 2.33 and then we'll attach the letter s to the end. The word is represents the equal sign, 48.23, and that's your final answer. Let's try that again. Translate the difference of x minus 24.6, then divided by 2.4 yields negative 1.9. The word difference and the word minus both mean subtraction, so this will be x minus 24.6. And then look at this word. This is interesting. It says then. So we're going to subtract that, then we're going to divide it. The best way to put that is a fraction bar. We're going to say then divided, and we're going to put 2.4 in the denominator equals 1.95. Another way that you could try, and you'll have to let me know if it works for WebAssign or not, is you could put x minus 2.46 in a set of parentheses, and then the division of 2.4 equals negative 1.95. That may work also, but I know this format with the fraction bar is the way WebAssign has it. Okay, that's all for this video. Please let me know if you have questions on this assignment. I know it can get tricky translating these sentences into expressions, but the more you try, the better you'll get. So let me know if you have any questions.